Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Brick Wall badge easily. This badge is a game changer for big men, significantly increasing the impact of your screens. It also drains energy from opponents who run into them, making it harder for them to defend. Mastering this badge will greatly improve your team's offensive flow and create more scoring opportunities. Let's dive into the specific steps to earn it quickly. Your player's strength attribute is key to unlocking the Brick Wall badge at higher tiers. For a bronze level, you'll need at least 72 strength. To reach silver, 83 strength is necessary, offering a noticeable improvement. Many players aim for gold, which requires 91 strength, as it provides a significant boost to your screen effectiveness and overall defensive presence on the court. To efficiently grind for the Brick Wall badge, optimize your game settings. Choose rookie difficulty and casual game style. This makes opponents less aggressive and easier to screen. Set quarter length to 12 minutes to maximize your time on the court and the number of screens you can attempt. Finally, boost the game speed to 100, which quickens the pace and allows for more possessions. The core strategy is to set as many effective screens as possible. Try to set multiple screens within a single possession, especially on ball and off ball. Focus on screens that result in your teammates scoring or getting wide-open shots, as these contribute significantly to badge progression. If available, activate the Orange Juice Boost, which can further accelerate your badge earning by increasing screen assist points. Keep at it, and you'll earn that badge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.